Happening tomorrow, a 20-year-old mariachi is due in court nearly 2 weeks after ICE agents took him into custody.
The Fox Tech graduate made national headlines for being detained after performing at a birthday party. Family and lawmakers are now demanding his release.
Tonight, KENS 5 reporter Mike Jimenez sat down with the man's attorney to discuss the status of the case.
He is in immigration custody, and he's fighting for his ability to stay in the United States.
Immigration attorney Lance Curtright is representing 20-year-old Herbert Ibarra Castro, who was detained on June 25th in China Grove. Curtright says Ibarra Castro entered the U.S. when he was 4 years old and is a graduate of Fox Tech High School and married to a U.S. citizen.
He has filed to regularize and get his green card the day before he got arrested.
According to Facebook post by Congressman Joaquin Castro, Ibarra Castro was on his way home from performing at a birthday party when ICE detained him. In a statement, officials said he was in the country illegally.
This is not a young man who's trying to, evade authorities or anything of that nature. He's a person who is, trying to become a member of the country where he has grown up. And that's what this case is about, and that's why he should be released.
Congressman Castro's Facebook post goes on to state, while Ibarra Castro was still in his mariachi attire, a detention facility worker taunted him, requesting a song in exchange for his release.
He's a remarkable young person. I just got off the phone with him, and he was recounting to me about how on the 4th of July he sang our national anthem. And I told him that reminded me of Martin Luther King Jr., who sang gospel songs when he's in the Birmingham jail. So he's an inspiration.
Curtright says Ibarra Castro will now have 2 hearings on Wednesday in front of an immigration judge.
There's a bond hearing, and in the bond hearing, the judge has to decide whether he should be released on bail. That's a bond hearing. The second hearing is a deportation hearing, removal hearing, we say in immigration law, and that surrounds the question of whether he should be allowed to stay in the United States or not.
Now, those hearings for Ibarra Castro will take place in Pearsall. His wife tells me that she plans on being there. She also tells me that this entire situation has been stressful and has been an emotional toll on her and the family. Mike Jimenez, KENS 5.